Okay, because there's one other kind of problem that I want to look at. So what if we had, oh, there are two. Here we go. We want to find a quadratic function that has a vertex of -2, -3, and that has the point 0.05. So to do that, since we're given a vertex, we're going to use the vertex form. And I know that h is -2 and that k is -3. The vertex form is f of x is equal to a times x minus h all squared plus k. And now I'm going to carefully put in the h and the k, and I want to leave the a and I want to leave the x. So h, we said, was -2, so we've got x minus -2, and then plus -3, so -3. Does that step make sense?
It does, but wouldn't it be easier to just make it a +2?
It will be +2 in the next step.
Okay.
But we have to do that extra step because we're starting with a negative. You see what I mean? So we've got a times that's, and we got that part using the thing we knew from step 1, vertex. We also know is the x. For the point 0, what is the x?
0.
0.
5.
So it's
0. That would be
so 0 plus 2.
2.
2
2 and 4.
Have this equation. 5 is equal to 4 times a. How can we find a?
It's 1.
It isn't.
You add 3 to both sides.
It's 4 times a.
2. Oh yeah.
And now that gives us the we have e. But you're thinking to yourself, I'm not used to seeing quadratics in this form unless I'm in algebra class. And you're right, most quadratics that you see on the street are in standard form. So let's write this one in standard form also. And to do that, we're going to take this x plus 2 squared and square it. So we have x plus 2 all squared. And there's a form that really helps to know or to learn. If we have a plus b all squared, that is a squared plus 2 times a times b plus b squared. So the first thing squared, first times second times 2, second thing squared. So we're going to use that pattern. And what is a for our question?
2.
X. B is going to be 2. X. And now I just have to fill in X for A, and that means X also goes here. We said B was 2, so B goes in those 2 spots. X squared is just X squared. What is 2 times X times 2?
2 times 2 is 4. 2x, 4x,
And 2 squared.
4x, yeah.
Part of what we needed, but not the whole thing. We said that f of x was 2 times. Oh, here, -3. So we're going to use this x squared plus 4x plus 4 to replace the x plus 2 all squared. So x squared plus 4x plus 4. And if we multiply through by 2,
One.
so 2 times 1 x squared is going to be
2 squared.
good. And 2 times 4x
Is 8.
beautiful. 2 times 4,
8.
and we're subtracting 3. So we've got 2x squared plus 8x, and 8 minus 3 is
5.
beautiful. Let's practice factoring and see if we really do get the same x-intercept here. Oh, it's going to have no x-intercept. Just hit me and call me stupid. So this one doesn't factor. And the reason that I know it doesn't factor is that I figured out what b squared minus 4ac was. So here b is 8. A is 2. C is 5. 8 squared.
8 squared. 64.
64.
Good. And let's do it this way. 4 times 5
20. 40.
and 64 times 4.
24.
So this graph does cross the x-axis, but of 24 is not an integer. The closest one would be 5 squared. 5 squared is 25. That means that the numbers that we would get if we tried to factor are not those. Record them